Nicholas Mwebaze omwari ba member ba Mpondwe Cross Border Traders Cooperative Society nagira ngo nyuma yo kwebwa contract mu mwaka gwa 2023 akashashura miliyoni 317 kandi tarikirizibwe kuba nakorera mu kataraka
miliyoni 317 zimwe zikasasurwa town council zimwe nasasura district izindi nasasura gomborora yisango ayiba ibiri bangira ngo uteke sente aba district niho nabire uteka sente zo nisabo kumbanza bangumesereze nanye ningendera aha mateka g'abakuru agubar kungambira nanye ndyo kugendera.
Mwebaze nagira ngo akatareka kwiho muri Mpondwe rubiri ha town council katwarwa mu gombora ya Isango kunkatari kirizibwe kuba nashoroze mshoro no minister wa government Sebyanga yatahiro mu nshongeji
yagenzire minister yarambura butari itaka rya town council yabigetiye hakatari kabwiri town council kabita karasasubiri yasangiye itaka batigira katare ahagomborora yisango itaka rya government minister yagira ata ereta kari town council takasasubiri ereke takarasasura akatare kaguma hitaka ya government konko wafunde contract abenwe yayine gukora ki abenwe yakora yasoroza ubusubi
enyimaho nangwa mushaki witwa makuru nshongeji kuyagiburize minister wa government Sebyanga Honorable Raphael Magezi akagera ngo bwire bwabo kuburaho batikirizibwe kushoroza sente nibija kwerwa ubundi bwire kunkatikira basicire
kongera ikisange cyabayerusi wanatu kushiraho yebiri kumwe kubanza tuiza kuri cyo gukora rand hano cyo kimwe n'ibyo butari kutureta abahire kusya mu rugo umwaka kuguraho nduho tuiza kushita materibe kandi tutwaza
kijagero kizibu kimwe cyesente za banka kuyakizire kwigobo yatandika kugira imyangaro aba banka bakaba bampikaho bambuza tumukorere ki tugire tutanzaho mbagambero bizubye biyabirayine aba banka ba holding on
Kabandize nayongeragira ngo abebembeza bukiri kwata abo bashyikire kubana bayamba mushubuzogu akagarizubwa sente ze obundi akashashura amabanja gayine
nko ku yaboreka impapura zo ku rugo ministry zone mwenanisha abukiri kwata ku government eyambe omusigazogu hatagira ebintu byakwatwa.
When somebody has been given a contract to collect revenue on behalf of government and you have paid all the money, you are supposed to do. If they don't, they are supposed to refund their money.
According to the terms of the contract died naturally. So when the contract ends naturally, at the end of the day you find that as a contractor you don't have any claim.
Moses Mugisa, Old Town Clerk wa Mpondwe rubiri ya Town Council na jangu nibija kuyamba bashubuzaba.
But the contractor has kept engaging the district, Cow's office has also engaged us, and we recently had a meeting and Cow said we are going to get a way of sitting down with those gentlemen and agree with them on how possible we can help them.
Mwebaze naenda President Museveni ataho mu nshongaze amakuru agasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi omuri Kasese.